Hey guys, I want to make a video about this post I saw on X. So this guy did a post and he said, listen, I'm officially a father of a teenager, meaning they went and adopted this young man and they got him and it's now their son. This lady on top comments and she says, listen, why would you even consider adopting this little brown boy if there's millions of white kids out there that also needs homes? And this infuriates me because I've seen posts about this on both sides where people's like, hey, we adopted a kid, and someone with a very stupid IQ that's not lekker up years come and they do stupid stuff like this. Let me paint this picture very easy. A child is in a system. A child doesn't have a family. A child doesn't have a real future. And along comes family A, B, or C, and they adopt this child. They make this child part of their family. And our response as society is, but that doesn't match the skin tone of your epidermis. There was a song in the 90s by a band called DC Talk, and the lyrics said, pardon me, sir, your epidermis is showing. And it just means that, listen, your skin is showing. Yes, guys, let's never stop fighting this nonsense. Let's never stop fighting racism on all fronts. Let's never stop this. To this family, to this young man, my heart is amazingly happy because this man's going to have a Christmas with his brand new family. May you only have a great life ahead of you. Man, if you're in the position that you are busy adopting or looking at it, go, and whoever you are led to adopt, you and your wife or you and your spouse or whatever the thing is, God will lead you. Who's the child for you? And if you're in the position that you can do that, go and help a child. Not just today, go and help a child. Regardless of their skin tone, regardless of their culture. Because that child did not ask to be born into this world. That child did not ask to be born into a society where he or she has to rely on a failing system just to have daily food, just to have this or that. To whoever you are that does posts like this on top, cease for you. Cease.